So, I'm the convener of health promotion at the school. So, some of you know me, and I've had the pleasure of having you in my class. Football United, as you just saw, is what we would consider an action research project in communities around New South Wales and also internationally in Myanmar. What we do is use the global game of football as a vehicle to engage young people in disadvantaged communities. We mostly work from a school-based setting, and one of our primary foci is preventing kids from disengaging in school and working with kids to maximize their early adolescent and adolescent years to enable them to create chances, which, by the way, is an expression we use a lot in football, excuse me, for the rest of their life. So I've got two different brochures here. We've got a lot of different opportunities for somebody who wants to actually have an action-oriented engagement in either an independent study or major or minor project, I guess, if you want to call them that. One really exciting thing we are just embarking on at the moment is in 2013, we developed a social enterprise approach to what we're doing. And this means that we're actually looking at developing a sustainable revenue source that's independent from grants and donations, and enables us to keep the work going regardless of whether the funding situation in the world is waxing or waning. So we're really keen to work with students in whatever realm is possible within the work that we do. So if you're looking for more action orientation, there are autoethnographic experiences that you can actually have. We have a really cool monitoring and evaluation program that has just been started on the Creating Chances program, which is the social enterprise program. And we'll be having some very interesting data to look at and to manage along those lines. I've brought two flyers here. One called Playing for Change, which just introduces Football United. The other one called Creating Chances, which is more about the social enterprise approach. If you're somebody who really likes to write, we've got a large number of avenues within this whole area of sport for development and social change. Because interestingly enough, it's mushrooming internationally. It's somewhat fledgling in Australia, but it has yet to actually take its rightful place, if you would, in the arena of social change, health promotion, community development. So there's a lot out there. As you saw in there, we're connected internationally to a large number of groups. So if you're interested in an international connection of some sort, I'd love to hear from you. I'll just put these down here. You help yourself. Basically, the thing is also, we'd really like to work with students to explore your interests and see whether among the variety of things we do, there is any connection. Now, in the rest of the grand realm of health promotion, which is massive, if you have any of your own work that you would like to look at more in depth, work you've done in your home countries if you're an international student before you came, work you've done before you came to the school or that you're embarking on. I just got an email from one of my students from last year who works with the Heart Foundation and wants to analyze some data from a project that she's just finishing. And she asked if I would be interested in supervising her in that area. So it's not the only thing that I do in my life, but it's by far my passion. But if you have a passion in the area of community development, health promotion, and you want to write about it or explore it more further, I'd love to talk to you. So I sometimes look frazzled when you knock on my door. Don't let that stop you. I am frazzled, but I'm always wanting to connect with students and hear what you want to do. Thanks.